Hello friends, welcome to a new video. So as I mentioned in yesterday's video that I'm not going to trade in today's market because I had some legal matters to settle down. It's nothing but my divorce is going to be finalized. So I just didn't want to trade in today's market because my mindset was not good. But in the morning I just took a trade in market. I just opened the application and saw that the pre-market was almost around 18,100, and I got a feeling that I could have, what is there to lose? Today is anyway is a big, loss for me to happen. So nothing just matters. So I just purchased a put option. So here, as soon as the market has opened at 9:18 a.m., I just entered into a put side. Okay, so I just purchased for 26,000 rupees, and it was like 10 lots I purchased in Nifty, and the per stock price was 52.13. So this is where I took my trade, and I just did not update any stop loss. I was just thinking, okay, let it happen, whatever, and just left when went back to the court and everything, and I came back at 2:40 p.m., almost like at 2:30 p.m. So by the time I came back, I found that my price has reached somewhere around 60,000 something, and I was still not happy. I don't know why, but still, it happened that I got a very good profit today. If you ask me if I'm excited, yes, I'm excited. But if you ask me if I'm happy, I don't know. But so what I'm trying to do is that I'm just going to take back the 10,000 rupees which I gave to the advocate today, and I'm just going to put 20,000 rupees for my daughter's future education and all those things. So there is a saving account, and the rest I'm going to give it to a charity nearby. There is an orphanage, so I'm just going to donate whatever is balance for them. So this is what happened in today's market. Actually, it's actually a gambling. I don't suggest anybody to enter in a trade like this. This is just a perfect gambling idea. So this is my divorce strategy. As per my yesterday's video, you can see that this is the level I marked, which is 42,500 in Bank Nifty. If this line is crossed, you can find this will be the target. Like it can come and react at this trend line. Yes, it has reacted, and after that again it broke the trend line and rested on 41,900. So if anybody has entered into a put option in Bank Nifty also, they could have made a profit as per my yesterday's video. And in Nifty also, you can see that this trend line was spaced. I have drawn this trend line for you yesterday. I discussed in yesterday's video that if you find market moving away from this, or if you find market approximately at this point, you can enter into a trade. But unlike me, I just entered into the trade, but this was a very long candle. So without a proper retracement, I don't think anybody of my viewers must have entered into this trade. So at least at this point, there was a small retracement at 80,011. Once it was broken, you could have entered into a trade somewhere around here. So this was a chance, and from here, market has gone. It's not a random movement, but it was taking retracement, going into consolidation. So I don't think there will be much of a profit in this particular area, but still, if you have entered a trade here, they would have entered with at least like 20 points profit in this area. Anyway, so let's discuss on what is going to happen in Nifty tomorrow. And Bank Nifty, I'm not going to discuss anything tomorrow because Bank Nifty will be a little bit complicated, and I'm not in a perfect mood to analyze in Bank Nifty. But Nifty, I know I just concentrated on Nifty in the past few months, not in Bank Nifty, so I can be more confident in Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. Okay, so I can just mark you the important points in Bank Nifty, but I'm not going into the detailed analysis in Bank Nifty. But Nifty, I'm just going to give you some of the important tips from where the level can drop and where the level can raise. So let's delete the whole thing and just give me a moment. I will just mark it and come back to you. So this is the 1 day time frame of Nifty. So you can see here, I'm just going to draw a fib level from the last high to the low. And right now what I can see here is 0.382 level, which is approximately 18,200 level. and we have zero point 0.2 level at 18,000 level. And these are the levels which I have marked because this is the level where market has came and touched the lower point, and this is going to be a demand zone in market. Okay, so this is, but there are other factors to think of. So here, as per fib level, what I'm trying to say is that if you find, so Nifty has already gone down, and right now it has reacted from 0.382 level. Now it's coming back to here, and maybe from here it will go for a double bottom pattern, and if it is going upside, breaking this 0.382 level, going up to maybe zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.6 anywhere. So if it is going at this level and giving a retracement, and if this level is taking as a support, it can try to go up, and that happens not only in tomorrow, maybe in this coming days. So this is not a one day trend that I'm talking about. Maybe it will take up till this week end. Okay, so this is possible. For me, to the call side, I do not prefer to buy into the call side unless and until Nifty crosses 18,200 levels, because also on the IO chart you can see that see 18,200 has a very high resistance level. Okay, so this is a point that Nifty has to break on their way upside. And here we have 18,000 level, we have a very good resistance level, but here at the same time we have 1 lakh support also. So it's like, it's not that big, but here there are 2 lakh 43,000 and only 28,000 contracts are built, in this area. So what I'm trying to say is that 18,200 can be a very good resistance level, and it can build up. And also the highest support point is 17,700, 17,800. So all these levels that I have marked in this particular point. So in tomorrow's market, if you find this particular line is broken, that is a 17,800 level, you do not have to enter a trade immediately. Maybe there will be a fake breakout. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to wait until there is a proper retracement and then enter into the put side. Else, market will give you a fake breakout. It will go and hit your stop loss, and then it will go down. Maybe that can also happen. Okay, because market can go up till 0.382 level and test this level once again, and it will go down. So do not fall into market trap unless and until market is giving you a proper intimation that you can go for a call option. See for the price action. Okay, and go according to the trend. So wherever the trend is going, it's possible that you can make much more money towards the trend. Do not trade opposite the trend. So this is what I have in Nifty. So actually 18,000, if I find market is in a flat opening somewhere around here. In case if it is flat opening, these will be the target, that is 18,000 level will be resistance, and this will be the support 17,800. So market can consolidate over this area for pretty long time. There is also a chance. Unless and until I will not enter a trade unless and until 17,800 is broken and there is a retracement and if market is coming down. So this is the possible trade that I can enter into tomorrow's market. Okay, otherwise market will trap you in this area. This is possibility. So actually in this area you can go for a scalping trading, where wherever this consolidation is happening there is a 7,800 to 18,200 points difference is there. So if you want it, you can go for a scalping trading in between this area. If you find market is taking support in either of these areas, either it is taking resistance from here or it is taking support from here, you can go for a scalping trading, but I'm saying it can be a risky trade. Okay, so this is all about Nifty. Okay, sorry guys, one more thing I forgot to mention in Nifty is that as per my yesterday's video, I have just given you a trend line. So please draw this trend line in your chart, and this is very important because this is acting as very good resistance trend line. So market has multiple times it has came and touched this level only to shoot back down. So this is going down. Every time it is touching this trend line, is going down. So you have to make sure this trend line In case if market is touching this trend line tomorrow, it can react and go down from there. So this is a reference line. In case this trend line is broken, it is an indication that market can go upside. But in Bank Nifty, I have not, actually reviewed anything. I'm just not in the mood actually to, do a review and give you a confirmed picture. But Nifty for the past few days, I'm just focusing more on Nifty so that I can give you a clear picture in Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'm not that sure. And also, I'm actually very tired, and maybe in tomorrow's market, I'm not concentrating in Bank Nifty. Okay, and Bank Nifty can be a very tricky. As per initial analysis, I can say that Bank Nifty can be a little bit tricky. Okay, it can try to trap you. Anyway, if you find a good price action in Bank Nifty, you can go into the trades in Bank Nifty also. But I am not giving you any levels in Bank Nifty because the only reason is I am not having enough time to give you a good analysis. Because see, if there is any kind of a problem, you will end up in loss. So it's your money. So I'm not going to give you anything unless and until I am certain about something. So Nifty, I'm going to consider these are the trades that you can enter in Nifty. Bank Nifty, I'm just skipping for tomorrow's. I'm sorry. Let's see what is going to happen in Nifty in tomorrow's market. If there is any updates that I wanted to let you know, I will put it in the Telegram group. The link to that Telegram group is in the description below. You can just join it. So if there is any kind of a trade that can happen in Bank Nifty, any kind of pattern or anything, I will just update in the Telegram group. So from there, you can see it and you can do your own analysis and then you can enter a trade. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give me a bell button on. And also, if you have any comments, please put it in the comment box. Okay? And try to share it with as many people as you can. Okay? So have a nice day for tomorrow. Hope everybody have a good profit in tomorrow's market and all the best. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.